Namaste DP fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back after a short break. It's been 2 weeks and I have missed you all. I have noticed that many of you really enjoy the home decor videos, and honestly I do too. There is something too fulfilling about transforming a space and sharing those moments with you. So today we are diving back into what you love the most, home decor. I also want to thank you all for your feedback and support. Your comments and likes really help me know what you enjoy, and it's been amazing to see how much you appreciate the home decor content. Alright, let's get started with today's home decor transformation. Now, as we dive into the festive season, I have given our space a colorful and eclectic makeover that's perfect for celebrating in style. I went all out with the vibrant colors to embrace the festive spirit. As we enter, on the left you will notice this beautiful yellow flower sheer curtains paired with a bamboo window shade. These sheer curtains add a touch of softness and lightness to the room, while the bamboo shade adds a natural textured element that perfectly complements the eclectic vibe. Just beside the window is our 4-seater dining table. I wanted this space to be both functional and stylish, so I chose a table that fits perfectly and adds to the room's eclectic charm. On the right, I have this metal shelf from Ikea, which I styled with a mix of showpieces, and of course I have included some lush plants to bring in a touch of greenery and freshness. Now, let's talk about this stunning blue 3-seater sofa. It's the centerpiece of the room and sets the tone for the entire space. I have styled the sofa with this colorful kata style throw that adds a cozy touch and a burst of color with its traditional stitching and vibrant patterns. Next up, the cushions. I chose a mix of vibrant, eclectic patterns to complement the throw. From geometric shapes to floral designs, these cushions bring in different textures and tones. It's all about mixing and matching to create a space that feels both cohesive and dynamic. Let's not forget this wall art. This portrait is colorful and quirky. The bold colors and expressive design ties the eclectic theme together beautifully. Next up is the black and white geometric rug. Its bold pattern provides a striking contrast and grounds the space, adding a touch of sophistication. And here is my wooden coffee table, which I decorated with Buddha figurine, a plant, and some quirky artifacts. The natural wood adds warmth, and the decor pieces brings tranquility and character to the table. Moving over to the 2-seater sofa, I have covered it with a cozy woven throw which complements the theme. And check out this quirky cushion from Ikea. They are a fun addition to the playful feel of the space. also have a mix of indoor plants including ZZ, pothos, philodendrons and many more, which I have placed in different corners of the living room to add greenery without taking up too much space. I hope you remembered this wooden divider from my previous tour. It's gorgeous. I love how it adds a touch of warmth and elegance. In addition, it's perfect for breaking up the space by creating a cozy nook. And finally, here's my favorite part, the Buddha fountain. It adds a soothing and serene element to the room with its gentle flowing water, creating a calming atmosphere. I'm planning to give this space an upgrade soon, so stay tuned for a future video where I will share the transformation. So that's a wrap on our tour of my colorful and eclectic living room. I hope you have enjoyed seeing how all these vibrant elements come together to create a space that's full of personality and charm. If you found inspiration for your home or enjoyed the tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your favorite part of the room. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video super soon. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye-bye.